Prepare this easy and delicious recipe for lunch. For this recipe, we are going to slice 1/4 part of cabbage. The thinner, the better. Once that's done, let's chop even more to make smaller. Let's grate a carrot and cut some coriander leaves to taste. Now let's transfer everything to bowl. Mix and keep aside. To prepare the dough, we need 3 eggs, 100 ml of milk, salt to taste, black pepper powder to taste, and let's mix up really well. Then we will add 6 tablespoons of wheat flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix again until it creates this consistency. Now let's pour it on top of the vegetables. And mix well. In a frying pan, heat some oil and let's put our dumplings to eat. I am using a spoon as a measuring, but the size is up to you. I am leaving it in round and a flat shape. As soon as we fried on one side, we turn to fry the other side. Remember that the fire is on medium flame to soften the cabbage. Once fried, let us put them on a paper towel and it is ready to serve. Even though who don't like vegetables will love this option. It is super tasty and I am sure you will love this. Do it at home and tell me what you think. Hope you liked it and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.